Do it again. Meow. Say, vibrato. Meow. The Come on. What do you see? What do you see? Do the little vibrato meow meow. Boogie boo. Patches. What do you see, Boogie boo? Huh? Wait, patches. It's meow. You speaking to me? You speaking to the birds? Meow. You wanna go out? You wanna go outside? Huh? Yeah. What's up? What do you see? You see the birds? You see the birds? You wanna get the birds? Where's that bird? Meow. My pretty cat Patches. What's up, Patches? What's up, honey? Huh? Oh, my little girl. Huh? I love you. I love you. You're a good girl, yes. Meow. What's that? What's outside? Let me see your face. Let me clean your face for you. Let me clean your tear ducts for you. Meow. Come on. No? Boogie, boogie, boo. Let me see that tushy. Does it look clean? Meow. Let me wash your tushy for you. She sees things she is interested in flying around. And just yesterday morning, I turned my back. I was washing their food bowls in the kitchen sink, so I had or something, and I heard pop pop pop. It sounded like a Jake break, but there was no traffic, nothing yet. It was totally silent outside. I'm like, what? I turned around and she's hanging from the brand new screen. She's like pasted on it like a gecko all the way up at the top. So she thinks she could fly, and she must have jumped. I had this thing pulled back, even further back than it is now. And she took a jump off of this cat tree into the screen here. It's a miracle she didn't knock the whole screen out. I'm surprised, because she is one solid little girl, let me tell you. She packed on the poundage since she got here, because she eats every day now, and she eats the right food. Yeah. She's got the smallest frame, but she's definitely got the most fat content in the house here, percentage-wise. She's starting to get rolls of it, this pussycat. She's turning into it. She. Yeah. What do you see? Patches. Meow. Meow. What do you see? Meow. You see me? Hear the bird? I hear the bird. You hear the bird? My Patches. She's my pussycat. I love you so much. Yes. You wanna go outside? Meow meow. You're a good girl, Patches. I love you dearly. Yes, I do. You are something else. You could see the breath coming out of your mouth, Patches, when you did that. It's cold outside. Ooh. I don't know if the camera caught that. Patches. Yeah. My little bushy boo. Yeah. good girl. You gonna let me clean your face? Can I clean your tear ducts for you, woody woody boo? I like to clean my pussycats every day. I like to comb them and clean their tear ducts for them, wash their tushes if needed, the washcloth. Oh yeah, they know the routine too. They enjoy it. Sometimes they beg me for it when they soil themselves. If they get like loose the runs, by eating too much wet food. That happens once in a while. Woody boo. Everybody else is silent this morning. Hatches has been the real vocal. No, we did get a couple of I love yous from Simba last video. I just posted it. This one's gonna be next. My baby. Look at you. Go outside? Who wants to go out in the cage? You wanna go in the cage? It's cold outside though. Oh, you wanna go out? You're the only one that usually wants to stay in, you. Oh, here they come. They want to go. Oh, it's cold. No. No. Oh, my God. I just felt the air. It is very cold out there. No, not yet. I'm going to stop the camera.